We all have our reasons why we are on this track. Oh, we all have our burdens, yeah, but we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come, my tears, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in.
Hai guys, aku sekarang mancing lagi sesuai permintaan kalian. Nih, kalian bisa lihat suasana di sini tuh. Itu sungai ya guys. Dan kebetulan ini tuh di pinggir jalan. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian dengar suara motor sama mobil lewat, ini tuh deket sama ini ya, jalan raya gitu ya guys. Dan kebetulan di sini tuh mendung guys, dan juga karena di sini juga banyak pohon, jadi tuh rasanya adem dan dingin gitu guys. Enak nih untuk bersantai. Yuk, penasaran aku kira-kira dapat nggak ya ikannya? Let's go.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
Aduh guys, ternyata aku sambil menunggu ikannya nih guys, dan aku harus sabar karena mancing itu kan nggak mudah ya. Dan jangan lupa bawa air minum dan juga cemilan-cemilan untuk sambil menunggu ya guys. Dan aku sudah menyiapin cemilannya juga. Jadi pancingannya tuh aku tajur guys. Oke, aku sambil nyemil ya guys. Oh iya, aku tuh pengen nanya ke kalian itu kalau mancing ikan itu apa sih umpannya? Dan yang paling sering dimakan ikan tuh apaan aja sih guys? Komen ya. Dan terus juga kalian itu tuh suka mancing di mana sih? Entah di sungai, di kolam ikan, di mana gitu guys? Yang paling banyak ikannya.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dance, smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah.
Aduh guys, aku tuh dari tadi udah mancing sampai 3 jam loh guys, dan cuman dapat 1. Dan hari juga udah mulai sore. Jadi begini ya guys, perjuangan mancing tuh. Sebenarnya sih aku mau pulang tadi, jadi udahlah aku sabar aja menunggu ya. Oke deh, silahkan kalau gitu kalian request lagi ya, komen di bawah vlog apa lagi yang akan aku buat untuk selanjutnya. Oke deh, sampai jumpa lagi, bye bye.